Water quality is a cornerstone of public health, environmental sustainability, and social equity. Protecting it requires global cooperation, innovation, and adherence to laws that prioritize clean water as a human right. So why we need to consider water quality and quantity related on issue? And my issue is on flooding in Puerto Princesa City. So, why water quality and quantity matter in flood management? Flooding is not just about so much water, it's also about what's in the water and how it's managed. Considering both water quality and quantity is critical to mitigating risks, protecting ecosystem, and ensuring long-term resilience. Flooding occurs when water overflows onto normally dry land, submerging areas that are typically accessible. It is one of the most common and devastating natural disasters affecting millions globally each year. While often triggered by natural phenomena, human activities increasingly exacerbate its frequency and severity. Floodwaters often carry pollutants that turn disaster into long-term health and ecological threats. Contaminants. Floods mix with sewage, industrial chemicals, agricultural runoff like pesticides and fertilizers, and household waste, poisoning water supplies. Way back Typhoon Ondoy in the Philippines, floodwaters contaminated with sewage caused outbreak of leptospirosis. Another is the saltwater intrusion. Coastal floods can push saltwater into freshwater aquifers, ruining drinking water and farmland. Also, the toxic sediments like heavy metals from factories or mining sites settle in soil and waterways, harming ecosystem long after floods recede. Also, it have a health risk. Polluted floodwater spreads waterborne disease and contaminates food crop. Next is ecological collapse. Sudden surge of dirty water disrupt aquatic habitats, killing fish and plants. Nutrient overloads from fertilizer cause algal blooms, depleting oxygen in water. Flood management isn't just about moving water out of cities, it's just about ensuring that water is safe and sustainably managed. Ignoring water quality turns floods into prolonged disaster, while poor quantity control amplifies their destructive power. By integrating both factors into policies like the Clean Water Act, disaster risk reduction plans, communities can build resilience, protect public health, and safeguard ecosystem for future generations. Clean water in the right amount is life. Polluted water in excess is catastrophe. Thank you for watching.